That's the end of the third loop. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Tension coil. Hook a standing pin. The fourth lap is made up of 6 groups. 2 short stitches, 1 plus 1. That's 24 shots in all. Now let's hook the first set. A short needle. Marking buckle. 2 short needles. 1 plus pin. First group completion. Then we checked off the remaining 5 groups. A short needle. 2 short needles. 1 plus pin. Round first alpha. Remove the marker buckle. End of drawing. Erase pin. The fifth lap is 6 sets. 3 short needles. A plus needle composition. Now check the first group. Hook the first short needle where the length is drawn. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. 1 plus pin. Same stitch again. Hook 2 short needles. This is the first group. Then we hook up the remaining 5 sets. Round 5 is alpha. There are 8 stitches. Hook a standing pin. Tighten the broken wire. Hide the thread. That's the end of the belly hook. Now let's start with the ear hook. Use the green line. The first loop is a loop stitch. 6 short needles. We wrap the thread around our finger twice. Pinch thread. Hook the anaphora. Pinch the thread with your index finger. Crochet around the circle. Hook the thread. Hook another thread and pull it over. Hook another standing pin. Now let's start with the first short stitch. Pull the wire around the coil. Draw again, this is the first short stitch. We add the marker buckle. Then hook 5 short stitches. Tension wire. Disconnection. Snip. The first round is over. Remove the marker buckle. Draw in the position of the marker buckle. Pull the line to hook a standing pin. Now we begin to hook. The second round is 6 plus pins. Start the first addition stitch in the standing stitch position. To add stitches to hook 2 short stitches in the same stitch. Put another stitch in the same stitch. This is the first needle added. Second addition. 2 stitches in the same eye. We're gonna hook up the other 4. The second loop is done. Remove marker buckle. Mark the location of the buckle. Drawing. Finish the second lap. Pull the thread tight. Hook a standing pin. And then we fold the circle in half. This is heads. This is tails. We're gonna leave the front on the outside. Fold it in half and look at it. This is symmetric. Double lay. We go through the symmetry. After half fold, symmetrical to needle eyes. You can pinch it. Then draw the line. And this is the first short stitch. Then hook the second short needle. This is the second short needle. Then check for more. $1,234,566 short pins. When you're done, hook a standing pin. Then pull tight. Leave a line. You can sew it on the body later. Then disconnect. The ears are meant to be hooked. Everybody hook another one. The other. Okay, now we're gonna start stitching. You can start with something like this. What's the right place? It's this belly right here. Right in the middle. Right in the middle of the subject. And then this goes up. Between the eyes. The interval is about 5 or 6 stitches. You can hold it in place with a needle. Let's see if it fits. And then start assembling. Now let's start with the belly. Pinch up. Heat with rubber strips.